Yeah, good afternoon. We are going to discuss about advanced SQL concepts. Today is sequences and views. Let's see what are they. A sequence is one of the concepts in any database that can also support unique values that can also that can support a different databases like DBA and Oracle and MySQL. These are the supported concepts databases like sequences. In sequences, we can also identify the unique in any columns. That means suppose, for example, uh, we have a lot of products names or employee names or student names, any customer names. We can easily identify our unique wise that will be incremented one by one automatically. That will be start with our own number, either number format or any varchar format. That should be start with a particular number and with our own ending process. That is, let's see what are they, how it process. Here, a sequence is give a particular database or either example of Oracle that should be start with any one number, either one or as your wish. Some databases we start with 1,000 or 10,000 a suitcase number. Okay, let's see. Take a one is automatical initial number, and that will be incremented by one is automatically incrementing, and like this. Syntax of a sequence is uh, here create a sequence. A sequence is a keyword. A sequence name as your wish, whatever you want to give. Start with an initial value, either 1 or 1,000, whatever you want to, and incremented by a incremented value, either 1 or 2 or whatever you want to. The maximum value is how many products or how many employees and how many customers you want to you have. And next one, as a table name, as a particular, it will assume to one particular table. In one particular table, the column will be automatically created. The sequence will be automatically increased one by one, whatever you want to initialize and the maximum value by a particular incremented value, either 111 or whatever you want to. The next one, take an example of create a sequence. A sequence is a keyword. What you want to give a similar as a table name or some just look like a table. Suppose a sequence one, start with 1 is the initial value, incremented by 1. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And the maximum range is 999. And you want to give another, just like a 10,000 or 20,000, you have a number of products or students or employees, whatever is there, and that will be incremented until the maximum range. Let's see. Create a sequence and sequence name. Start with 1. I want to take a student table. First student number is 1 automatically. Incremented by 1. The maximum value number of students is 999. Let's see. Want to insert into as a class. Okay. Value a sequence dot next val. It will be increment automatically in the particular table values. That is, the initial value is 1, that will be incremented. The next value is 2 and 3 like this. And the next student, here is one student name is Anu. That number is automatically initially is 1. The next one is if it is Gopi or any other John. Automatically that's another student name number is automatically 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, this is called complete a sequential sequence. It will be increments automatically is a particular one column. And the next, coming to the views. Views is completely is a virtual table. A view is a virtual table. Actually, why we are creating, why we are using this views means we can create a virtual table that that will be applied or access to security purposes. Security purposes means is if there is clients or some other customers that they are want to access our own tables, we never give to a original or any some original tables that may be corrupted or some misuses or something, any security reasons. We want to give that clients or customers, we will give just virtual tables to access. In that views, we cannot give anyone to originals. Okay, we produce only for view manner, just like virtual tables that may editing, updating, something like this. Okay, how to create and how to manage, how to update and how to delete the views, and why we are using the views. Okay, simply we can create a view just like a customize. That means we can give a query like a select, create view name as select. As select means we can create a view, we can select more than one tables. More than one tables means we can mix up the tables as we want to, which columns we want to produce the particular customers or something. Okay, let's see how to customize the views and creating the views. Next, let's see the syntax of view. Create a view name as select. As select means we can select the more than one columns and more than one tables also, and we can give a particular conditions also, condition based. Let's see what is the example of create view as a view name as select as suppliers dot supplier ID, and in order table is also one of the another table. Supplier is one of the table and order is one of the table. Okay, in supplier dot supplier ID and orders dot quantity and orders dot price from the suppliers. Okay, here is two tables are there. That is suppliers one a table and order is also another table. Here from suppliers, here we are also join the two, that's the suppliers and orders tables. On suppliers dot here is a equi-join, we can apply the equi-join on suppliers dot supplier ID and orders dot or supplier ID. If it is both are equal, if it is this condition is true, the where the supplier name is called IBM. This one is very important for these are all the operations. Okay, if the supplier name is IBM, that will be condition to perform on equi-join and also both tables supplier and IDs also. Okay, this is called just a creation of a creation or customize the one of the view. Let's see update view. Why we are going to update the view? If any one customer if they want to edit some of details, we never give or we never produces to any originals. Okay, we give just we'll give just a simple and a very small thing of a table or structure wise. They cannot satisfy with this type of structure. Okay, we can also update the views. We can add or any addition and any modifications based on that client requirements. Okay, we can also replace that. We can also replace the columns or something modification of particular view. Okay, that's called create or replace the view. Okay, let's see the syntax. A syntax of a particular updating view, that is create or replace a view statement, that is a view name as select whatever the requirement columns of a particular tables and conditions also. And see the next one as a drop view. Here once SQL has been created as a one of best feature is we can also drop the view also. Why? Because if number of virtual tables will be increased, the data will be it's a just like a trash table database. It's a very huge amount of tables are created and deleted, something like. Okay, this is why view is also one of the virtual table. In this virtual table, we can also use and drop it. This is not a original no. Okay, that's why we can also drop the view also. That call the syntax is drop view name, just like a table, just like a drop view name as a supplier ID, so supplier orders, like this. Thank you.